Welcome. Open Photoshop. In this video, we are going to see how to remove the red spots in the face. Let's get started. Click Open. Select the image. Unlock the image layer. Copy the image layer by dragging to the new layer. Click the Spot Healing Brush tool. Now, start brush over the red shots. It start to heal with the skin. Use small size brush improves your picture quality. Now, I fasten the process. Copy the image layer by dragging to the new layer. Now, we are going to do one small highlight in the picture. Click the mixer brush. Set the flow values to 40%. Now, start brush over the areas of the skin. Okay, we have done. This is the before. And this is the after. If you have any doubts regarding this video, kindly drop your words in the comment section. Thank you.